I think it's a special place. I think it's a special part of Yorkshire. It was built years ago with lots of civic pride, but some bits of it, they're unloved. They're not needed anymore for their original purpose, and they're just acres and acres of concrete in really quite a beautiful part of Yorkshire. And I think we should do something about that.
An incredible amount of thinking has gone into the creation and development of this project. So at Yorkshire Water, we recognise that we have an accountability to the region, and what we've developed over a series of years is a globally leading initiative which will demonstrate that integration with society, with our customers, with industry, creates value and growth.
Yeah. So then you've got the level change there. That's the level change.
As an architecture practice, we specialise in sustainable buildings in sensitive but beautiful landscape settings. Well, the brilliant thing about the Esholt site is the sunken settlement tanks, and they're sunk about 3 metres into the landscape. And what that allows us to do is create quite substantial homes which don't have a kind of wider impact on the landscape. So we're really minimising what it does in the bigger greenbelt setting. The big thinking really is sustainability, creating a positive impact at a local level, on people's lives, on the immediate environment, as well as something which helps at a much more global scale as well.
The thing behind this whole project is about creating a place that delivers much more than financial benefits. It's about far-reaching natural, social, human, intellectual and man-made benefits. It's about a force for good.
But we're going to create a really diverse community, a mixture of houses that range from one-bed flats right through to large 5-bedroom family homes. And they'll all be designed to the highest standards, as well as being great places to live. This being Yorkshire, water plays an important part in the design process. In two senses really. First of all, we're going to minimise water consumption through things like low water usage fittings, but also clever things like rainwater harvesting. The second thing, of course, is that we want to use the landscape in the site itself to help slow the passage of the water through, with swales and things to retain the water as they go. It'll be a beautiful landscape feature which also does a job. In terms of transport on the site, the focus is really on sustainable means of transport, and that comes down to people walking and people cycling. There will be cars on the site, but they'll be separate really from the places that people live.
What we want to do is produce something on this site that we're proud of, and hopefully the local authority and the people who live here are proud of as well.